Welcome back to our Lean Revolution saga. Chapter 2. Wastes and How to Fight Them. The purpose statement duplicates the title. Before we start, I invite you to listen to the end, because I'll offer you a free download of our template procedure to help you kill a lot of waste in your documents. I spent all my time at school in the library. Bad teachers can teach you to learn on your own. Gregory Colbert. This video talks about the first duplication most procedures start from. The purpose statement reiterates the title. A typical procedure follows an almost identical content, regardless of the size of the business, industry, or country. The purpose, the scope, reference documents, responsibilities, definitions, and finally, procedure steps. That is, if you're lucky not to go through more references. Tell me, how often do you see something similar to this? The title of a document is Management Review Procedure. The purpose section declares that this procedure defines steps for conducting management reviews at My Sweet Company LLC. Or the title is Measuring, Monitoring and Test Equipment Control. The purpose says that this procedure explains how to keep track of My Sweet Company LLC, measuring, monitoring and test equipment, and set up a calibration schedule. An endless number of ISO procedures exhibit this tendency to reiterate the title of a procedure in the purpose section, which is duplication and therefore waste. Let's try to untangle this and see if we can find a solution to eliminate this waste. I know it sounds comical, but what is the purpose of the purpose section? Let's start with the basics. Most reputable dictionaries, including Cambridge and Merriam Webster, define purpose as something set up as an object or an end to be attained. Synonyms, among others, include aim, goal, idea, and intent. Isn't it the same? To set the aim, goal, idea, or intent? It looks like, by definition, the title and the purpose have the same aim or intent, and therefore duplicate each other. If the title of a procedure defines the purpose, why do we need to duplicate it in the purpose section? If the title is Management Review Procedure, should we find a process for internal audits inside? Most likely not. If the title says Customer Service Process, should we see inside instructions on the calibration of a xenometer? Of course not. To eliminate this duplication, one of my customers solved this problem almost brilliantly. The company started to write in the purpose section, per the title of the procedure above. It was definitely an innovative step in the right direction, but I think they stopped too soon. It would be simpler to kill the purpose section altogether and start a procedure from the scope statement, just like in this example. Well, this idea sounds really vanguard, but it may have limitations. If you work in regulated industries, your bureaucratic agencies may have other ideas. For example, US FDA Medical Device Single Audit Program, AMDSAP, suggests numerous procedure templates. Those templates imply that the purpose, scope, definitions, authorities, and numerous other sections are mandatory. So face reality, and make sure that your contemporary lean concepts will not clash with your regulatory body's bureaucracy. For those interested in examples of truly anti-lean procedures, find the link to the FDA AMDSAP below. It's mind-boggling how some autocrats document their intentions. To summarize, keep it simple. The KISS rule. Stop duplications. Kill the purpose sections in your procedures when possible. As promised in the beginning, here is your download of our template procedure. Find the link below and see how this template can make your system lean and efficient. This concludes the purpose topic. If you prefer to get a paperback or an ebook, click the links below. They'll take you to the right places. Thank you for listening, and until next time.